Capital Crossroads Vision Plan implementation has been led by a committed and passionate team of volunteer business leaders. Their work encompasses far more than we can capture in this brief overview, so we've limited our list to the top 2 or 3 results from each capital committee. Physical capital success includes working with DART 2035 for the opening of the Central Station, coinciding with 2 new bus routes, resulting in a 13% increase in service. In partnership with the Des Moines Airport Authority, Des Moines International Airport was able to serve a record 2 million passengers last year following the addition of Southwest Airlines service to Chicago. The Capital Corridor Committee conducted a national RFP and retained Flynn Wright to assist with research, brand development, and a marketing strategy. A committee of regional leaders and stakeholders was created to help advance this new brand. The governance capital work has strengthened the relationships and collaboration among local governments in the delivery of services. 17 local governments are addressing specific ways to share resources and costs. These include fire and emergency medical service equipment and training, uniform fire code, debris, and right-of-way management. The social capital launched Community Connect Mentors Inspiring Success to connect developing and seasoned leaders in the region. A regional leadership council was formed to improve communication and collaboration among curriculum-based leadership programs, and the Capital partnered with Drake University's public relations and marketing students on a capstone project to develop a civility initiative. The Cultural Capital conducted the Central Iowa Arts, Culture, and Heritage Economic Impact Study, which shows this sector delivered more than $114 million in economic impact each year, supporting more than 2,100 jobs and generating $6.64 million in tax revenue. The Capital is developing a comprehensive advocacy plan focused on communication, collaboration, and sustainable funding. Business capital successes include Startup City, now incubating 9 companies, Plains Angels, with over $750,000 in funding activity and 118 angel investors participating, eCertify, which simplifies the certificate of origin process required for exporting, and Central Iowa SourceLink, a one-stop shop website with more than 300 resources. The Wellness Capital led a statewide employer survey providing research to develop a regional wellness initiative. Survey results and analysis were leveraged to further public education, engagement, and support for wellness and healthier lifestyles. The Get Active app was launched, providing information and connection to wellness activities throughout the region. The Human Capital initiated broad statewide awareness and support for education system transformation, starting with our Business Summit. Phase 1 of a regional attraction retention web portal was completed with a national launch scheduled for this summer. We celebrated the opening of the Evelyn Davis Center for Working Families, currently training more than 1,800 individuals, and we advanced regional Skilled Iowa metrics towards becoming a Skilled Iowa community. The Environmental Natural Capital created a fellowship position to continue the work on model ordinances resulting from our Drake Law School collaborative. We celebrated the passage of the Polk County Greenways and Parks Initiative, which will provide future resources to improve water quality, streams, parks, and trails. And we collaborated closely with the Tomorrow Plan on several education opportunities, CEO for Cities, and Peter Katz on New Urbanism. In the Capital Core, the formation of the Des Moines Redevelopment Company enabled some key downtown projects to advance. The YMCA is proceeding rapidly with planning and fundraising to relocate to the former Polk County Convention Center and build an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The company and the Downtown Community Alliance are currently soliciting for a developer to build a convention center hotel near the Iowa Event Center. The 11th Capital, an outgrowth of the Capital Core, the Urban Core, created the Urban Core Initiative, a collaborative effort of organizations already serving the community with the purpose of eliminating service gaps, maximizing available resources, and creating efficiency while improving effectiveness. The initiative includes a timeline for formal approval of funding, staffing, and launch of resident operations to enhance the quality of life and economic strength of the core community over the next decade. Woven throughout our Capital Crossroads work is support for the goals and strategies of the Tomorrow Plan, to increase regional cooperation and efficiency to create a resilient regional economy, and improve the region's environmental health and access to the outdoors to further the health and well-being of residents. The list of accomplishments is noteworthy, given that it represents just 1 year's work. Credit for these accomplishments is spread across many public and private partners, community and business leaders, 500 or more volunteers who have driven the vision forward, with much of the work overlapping both inside and outside of the vision plan. But this celebration is less about credit and more about capturing the momentum to propel us forward. Our vision now has a solid foundation upon which to build. It's time to set our sights on the next milestone to bring us closer to realizing our vision of a best-in-class business community with best-in-class arts and recreation and a renowned quality of life.